it just, bro, I was just driving, it's telling me not to crash. How am I meant to see this car near me and then, bro, before I know it, the game just flashed right before my eyes. That's peak, man. Engine control. Engine control. Pedals. Pedals, I want to do test. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I like this. Can I put it on neutral though? I don't think it's gonna allow me, okay. But it says neutral there. Like it says in the middle, so what's it talking about? It's dumb game, fam. Can I exit the camera as well? I like the suspension though. Totally damaged. This dumb game, fam. Effects. Vibrate on collision. Yeah, that would be nice, I can't lie. Let me have that on. I want it easy. Shush, bro. Can you just allow me? I'll be real, this game hasn't been hard one bit. So I don't know what it's talking about.